and welcome to another vlog. Today, Jason and I are going to tackle one of the biggest projects ever of our entire lives, which is basically cleaning out our closet. As you guys know, I've done the thrift challenge now for 25 weeks straight, and when you shop for 25 weeks straight, you kind of accumulate a lot of stuff. So
my husband has less and less closet space.
It's true. So I just keep pushing his stuff over.
That used to be hung up are now just packed into a shelf.
He's not bitter.
Above the hanging rack.
And then I also want to start transitioning my sweaters and other fall pieces that I've shoved under the bed into trash bags. I need to start putting those in the closet, and those take up way more space than like the thin shirts that I have. So I really do need to go through everything and kind of condense. So that means, you guys, a lot of new stuff is going to the shop, which I'm very excited because I love adding new items to the shop. This morning though, we are getting some breakfast and spending some quality time together at one of our favorite places that just opened in Nashville. It's called Stay Golden, but their food is amazing, and they have these really good biscuits, and it's very, very good. Today, I decided to break out the dress that I was gonna wear in New York, but it was too cold, so I'm wearing this flowy dress. How adorable is this? The fit of it is amazing. We've got our coffees here. Look how cute these little mugs are. They have this little blue stripe. I'm obsessed with that pink wall. They have an upstairs loft, and then this turns into a bar as well. We got a breakfast plate, which is basically just a meat and three. This biscuit is what we dream about. So we're back home, and I've changed, and we're about to start going into the dressers, the closet, and everything. We have been living out of suitcases a little bit, and Jason is giving up on me already.
This is how bad it is. I've just been laying like this for a week.
Don't lie, we took a nap today. The bed's not made. Everything is everywhere right now. Deodorant's right here. We've got mugs, cups.
Well, that's full of a coffee I just made.
Oh, really? So this is the current state of our closet, and it's a little bit alarming because we also have an entire washer and dryer full of clothes. Those clothes are sitting on the dryer, and I don't have room to put those away. This stuff is just getting too crammed, and I haven't even put my sweaters out. All of my sweaters are currently under the bed in trash bags. So we need to make some room, and I already tried to condense everything by switching out the hangers. I used to have these really thick wood hangers, and I ended up getting these because they're thinner and they're non-slip. But that did not create enough space. So that's what we're doing today. So this shirt is a perfect example of why I need to be doing this. I took the shirt to New York because I thought I would wear this to the festival, and I put it on and I felt really uncomfortable with it because it's super low and really, really cropped. So again, I brought this back and I was thinking, oh, well, maybe I can wear it here and I'll pair it with something. But let's be honest, I am not gonna be wearing this one.
One of these bathing suits since like high school, maybe?
Goodbye.
Before it's good to go.
Yes.
Some killer,
Ooh, I have never seen you wear those.
Oh no, I did get rid of my maroon ones. Oh.
You had maroon khaki? Or
not maroon, salmon. I had salmon, which is worse.
I think I've seen those in one picture, like from freshman year.
I think all those khaki shirts, I didn't wear them once this summer, so they're getting cut.
That's amazing. So I've started a pile, well, really a bag of clothes that will be added to the shop. These are all really nice pieces that I just don't wear anymore. And then this bag, it's just stuff that I don't really feel like is worth selling, and so this bag is going to donations. And Riley, what do you want to donate?
What bag do you want to be in? Should we sell you or donate?
Oh my gosh. Guys, don't listen to him. He loves her. We love our Riley girl. Look at this new bandana she's got on. Yes, you're such a sweetie. Look at those little back legs. Are you a little frog? So this is another example. I have two cropped yellow t-shirts, and I don't need both of them. So keeping the lighter one, Jason says that he likes this one better. He's literally known for this striped sweatshirt. And we have looked everywhere for another one.
If anyone's got a 2X pure Cardone striped sweatshirt,
we will literally pay you so much money for it.
Upwards of $300.
Oh my gosh!
I'm not playing.
Upwards of $300?
I would do it.
Okay, well maybe he would do that, but I don't know about me. I would pay upwards of $100.
I would pay more than I've ever paid for any other article of clothing.
So if you have this and you're looking to sell it, and you're a 2X. So if there's one thing that I hold on to for way too long, it is definitely old t-shirts. And these are my volleyball shirts from high school, and I've worn them into perfection. They're so soft. But it's time. This is TT Belmont freshman year shirt, and I'm feeling a little sentimental about it. We all got this shirt when we came to Belmont. Goodbye, college memories. So I got these jeans, I don't know when, a long time ago, but I've lost a little weight since, and look. Yes! So your girl is selling these. These are an insane pair of wide leg jeans, but they're a little bit big for me. So Jason is leaving me in the dust. He has already gone through and set aside piles and piles of things that he no longer wants.
About 1994. I also looked really good in this shirt. I still do, but the 3/4 sleeve, like, it's
a past life.
It's over.
What trends are in right now, babe? Tell us what man trends.
Man trends. Let me tell you about the seasoned man trends that are in. What trends are in? I don't know. I really think cord is coming back.
Heard it here first, people.
And I know I've probably said this a million times in the vlog, but I single-handedly take credit for turtlenecks and mock necks coming back.
Yeah, he was wearing turtlenecks and mock necks. Yeah.
Before anybody...
I made fun of him for it.
Everybody made fun of me, and now they're back.
Yep.
This is your Kenny shirt.
Yeah, you can get rid of that.
You can get rid of, you don't want to match? Should we show him our matching Kenny?
Oh yeah, let's show him. So Jason worked for Crowder on one of his tours, and he got unlimited Kenny merch. If you guys know who David Crowder is, he's a Christian artist. And we have matching Kenny Rogers Arctic Fox shirts.
I think you ever wore yours.
No, because you got me too small of one.
You can tell.
It was too small. It literally fit me like a super tight top, and I was like, I don't think I can wear this to bed.
Anyone's a 2X and an extra small.
They go together. Cannot separate Kenny. Let's ask the people. Should Jason keep this windbreaker?
I just feel like... Why the people said no.
Another great pair of jeans that I must say goodbye to because your girl lost weight! Yeah! But these are so cool. I mean, look at this stripe down the side. These are going in the shop. Do not worry. These are a really cool pair of denim.
Those are too. I like this. But I feel like the shoulders always feel a little weird to me.
Another plus to clearing out your closet is discovering things you didn't know you have. I got these in the fall last year and I forgot about them. They were in the very bottom of my bin. I am so excited about these. Gonna pair it with some cream sweaters. Okay, so jeans and sweatshirts are done. Now I'm gonna go through the most dreaded part, t-shirts. I have accumulated way too many t-shirts, and these aren't even all of them. The sweater tanks I'm definitely keeping. These are amazing. So I've got color tops, striped t-shirts, black and white basics to go underneath things, and all of my sweater tops. Got rid of a bunch of sleeping shirts and shorts that I don't need anymore. So this drawer is no longer overflowing. It's a miracle. So this shelf is already so much better. It used to be completely full, overflowing, and now look at this. I mean, what an improvement for shelf number 1. Now we're gonna go through shelf 2, which is all of my skirts, and there are so many that I need to pass on.
Do you think you really need this paper bag?
It's a Coach bag.
What about
Yes, that is a Chloe bag, and that one's very, very special to me.
Okay, what about this Nashville?
I was in that magazine. Show them, open it up. I was in that one, yeah. There I am, back when I was blonde. That was me. I did an influencer panel in Nashville. So sorry about the noise. We have the dryer going right now, but I'm going through my bags and trying to decide what I want to keep. I love keeping black bags. This is one of my favorite smaller bags from Fry. This is one of those bags that I've been holding on to for the longest time, and if we're being honest, I haven't really worn it that much, and I thought I would when fall came around, but now I'm wondering if I will actually use this. But I'm a complete sucker for a structured bag, so this was a really fun one for a season, but I think it is time to add it to the shop. Now we are going to go through all of my shoes and really condense it. There's a lot that I do not wear as much as I should, and I definitely think other people could get more wear out of them. These shoes I thrifted. They are not in great condition. I'm not gonna sell these. These shoes I thrifted. Again, not in great condition. I have better shoes that are worth holding on to. Keeping my loafers. I thought I would wear these all the time. I literally never wear this color pink. So these are going in the shop. These are my Gucci loafers. I bought these off of Poshmark and I love these. And these are not going anywhere because they're Gucci. But also I got them for $20. So this was the biggest steal of the century. These are really cool for events. Red boots. I'm gonna keep because you never know if you need a pair of red boots. These are so painful on, actually. I wore these for a day and I was like dying. So these are just gonna be donated because I'm not gonna sell you guys a shoe that is really uncomfortable. Okay, I literally had these in high school. I always got compliments on them, but they are not in great condition. All these shoes that I thought, oh, I'll wear that. Like, I'm that person that if I think I could maybe wear it, I keep it. I'm ready to not be like that. My favorite pair of black heeled boots. These combat boots from Fry are insane. They're really expensive, but the quality of these boots and their other boots, I am obsessed with. Shop keeping. So some jewelry is gonna go up on the shop as well. These are some pieces that I haven't worn in a while. So this is the pile that I'm going to be putting in the shop. I'm already like, I'm gonna wear that. And it's like, no, you're not, Chloe. You ain't gonna wear it. If you didn't wear it, you're not gonna wear it. And then there's also situations like this when you have two of the exact same thing, but for some reason I hold on to both of them because I'm excessive. So this is the pile that I didn't find myself wearing, and then this is what I'm keeping right here. All of my fancy tops. My favorite dress of all time. I'm literally never getting rid of this. I will never, ever, ever part with this dress. When cleaning out your closet, remember that there are always new styles and more things out there. So as you part with things that maybe you loved in a season, it's always good to remember that there are always gonna be more pieces out there that you'll fall in love with. I think that's why we always feel like I have nothing to wear. It's because we hold on to all of these things that we've already worn so many times that we can't part with, and it doesn't create space for new items that you're excited to wear. I already have some really awesome hauls planned. Definitely a Madewell haul, and then there's like an Amazon haul. Alright, so this is what I have condensed it down to. This section right here, and this is all the stuff that I'm moving on from. These are all gonna be added to the shop eventually. I'm not sure when, but whenever I have time, I guess. Okay, so now we are getting to the part where everything just starts getting a little overwhelming. Got a bag of shoes that are gonna be in the shop, bags in the shop, clothes in the shop, more bags in the shop, and this is why you should do this often, seasonally even, and not wait years to do this. I haven't done a proper closet clean out in probably 2 years since I moved, and now I'm kicking myself because I'm like having to deal with all of this all at once. So now I'm a little overwhelmed seeing probably 5 trash bags full of stuff. Yet, I promise you, there is a lot more. But I'm gonna go to the gym really quick and then come back and start unpacking my winter clothes. I did all the clean out, so now it's just unpacking my winter stuff. So it's actually a different day. We went to the gym and I was honestly way too tired to start unpacking things. So today I'm gonna open up all the boxes and the stuff that's been under the bed and set it all out and go through everything and make sure that what I kept from last winter stuff I still want. Alright, so I just finished and I honestly remembered having a lot more boots than I did, so that's a good thing. I don't have as many as I thought I did, but I've packed all of the sweaters in here. So sweaters, sweaters, more sweaters, long sleeve shirts, more sweaters. But as soon as it gets cold enough, I am going to be getting rid of like shorts and this. And then this is gonna clear out and I'll put some sweaters down here. So hopefully this won't get too crammed or stay this crammed. But honestly, fall and winter is my thriving time. So I love jackets and layering pieces. Like I totally forgot I had these blazers and coats. I love coats. I have lots of different shades of grays and browns and creams, sweaters, cardigans, just a lot of winter clothes because I love winter. And just to show you what Jason owns, he owns these sweaters and then this is his section. Like, also, sorry about this weird bug bite that I just got. I have no idea where that came from. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this entire closet clean out process. I feel so good seeing all of my sweaters out. Hopefully it cools down really quickly. Be sure to check out the shop. It's linked down in the description box, and that's where I will be listing the pieces. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys back for some more videos. I post on this channel 3 times a week, but I will see you in my next one. Bye!